Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment and click the bell notification so you know any time that I go live. All right, today we have a super simple recipe. Don't worry, it is delicious, but it is really simple. It has like 4 ingredients in it. It's called buttered noodles or buttered Parmesan noodles. So in a pot or a pan or whatever it is, I have 6 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to melt up. By the way, you want your spaghetti or linguine or whatever in the and I do recommend you get bronze cut long noodle pasta for this one. You can do it with penne if you want, but I just think spaghetti, that's what I used, works really well. You want this in the water, and because this sauce only takes 5 minutes. This comes together extremely quick. Start to finish, if the water's boiling, 10 minutes for the spaghetti. So you want to melt 6 tablespoons of butter. Then you want to add 1/3 of a cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese and freshly ground black pepper. Then you just want to whisk everything till everything is combined. And you don't really need to add any salt in this. You might need if you add unsalted butter, but this is salted butter and the Parmesan is quite salty, so you shouldn't need to add any salt. Like I said, this is a great dish just to kind of build some confidence. And now our sauce is pretty much done, so lower the heat to medium, low, or low, and just a couple more minutes and our pasta will be done. Okay, we've got our pasta drained and back in the pot. Like I said, always take at least 1 minute off of the pasta, the minimum cooking time for your pasta, because like I said, right now it's still cooking. So then you just want to grab a pair of tongs and twist this around until everything is coated. And just put it in a bowl. And then I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. And that's it. Buttered noodles. Done.